so excited to share a really fun project with you today. What I have done right here is taken my old paper pumpkin and Stampin' Up! Kits boxes and turned them into organization for my craft area. So I'm excited to tell you a little bit more about this. I am so excited about these boxes. So like I said, I took some of my old paper pumpkin and Stampin' Up! Kits boxes. I flipped them inside out so that the brown side, the plain side, is out. Added some designer paper and then made some labels so that I can use these for storage in my craft area. Now, what I love about these is they are cute. They're adorable, actually, I think. And I can leave these sitting out somewhere. I can leave them on a shelf so that they look nice, but I'll be able to keep my craft supplies contained and hiding so that it does look nice. Now, if you need some storage ideas, but you don't really need them to look nice, you could flip these boxes inside out, label them, and put them on a shelf or put them, in a closet or somewhere. They would still be really helpful that way. So what I have done, I have used some of our Pattern Party designer papers to decorate all these really cute black and white prints. And this is our Hostess exclusive paper pack right now. So with an order of $150 or more, you can actually get this as a Hostess reward item for free or pretty close to free. And you get a ton of the sheets in that pack. I think it's 48. So after I cut the pieces to place on the outside of the box, which I'll give you measurements here in a couple of minutes, then I use my Playful Alphabet dies to cut the labels for them. So the labels that I have on these right now some of them are for leftovers from my paper pumpkin kits, and some of them are for other supplies. So this one says spots for my Stampin' Spots ink pads that come with the paper pumpkin kits. So my Stampin' Spots, I have one here for cards. I have washi tape, which I just put washi on, blocks, gems, twine. You could do one for the die cuts that are left over from paper pumpkin kits if you're a paper pumpkin subscriber. Anything you need. These would be great to store markers, pencils, embossing powders, adhesives, lots of things. So here's how to flip that box inside out. You'll open it up, pull these inside flaps out, flatten the entire thing, flip it over, and you're going to reassemble it the same way. So first you'll want to fold the long sides up, fold these flaps in on the ends, and then this piece can come up and over. Same thing down here, so fold the side flaps in, and then this piece up and over. Bend the flaps the opposite way, and you have a box inside out that is plain. So let me give you the measurements for what to cut so that you can put the designer paper on the outside of your boxes. The piece on top measures, the large one measures 6 1/8 by 9 1/8. These longer pieces on the sides measure 6 1/8. I'm sorry, on this side measure 9 3/8 by 1 1/2. And then the shorter side, these pieces are 6 1/8 by 1 1/2. So you need two of these long ones, and then just one of the large piece on the top. So really quick and easy, adorable storage, adorable organization idea for your craft area. I hope this is helpful. You can find links to my blog to order your stamping supplies in the video description below. Please like, comment on, and share this video. I would love for you to become a subscriber. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you again next time when I will be back helping you to hand make with love.